What's going on, Chrispy crew? The launch of Genie Plus finally happened, but I've heard a lot of people worried about what's in store for the Disability Access Service now that it has arrived. So today I'm going to go over everything there is to know about the new DAS system. And if you need to learn more about Genie Plus, click on the link right up top. Also, starting today, I'm going to have a hidden Mickey every week, so keep it here until the end of the video to see this week's hidden Mickey. We were at the parks from October 20th through the 22nd. While we were there, we got to test out the DAS system post-Genie launch. We set up our DAS in September, I believe, so we haven't had to go through the new service of setting one up. I do believe you can still go to guest services as always, but also now you can register for your DAS through the Disney website as long as it's within 2 and 30 days of your upcoming trip. And also remember that these DAS passes only last for 60 days. After 60 days, you go ahead and you repeat the process again and either go to guest services or go through the website. Now, the biggest and best change, in my opinion, is that you can go on the My Disney Experience app and book a return time for an attraction that you want to go to. To do this, you're going to have to physically be scanned into the park through the turnstile, and then simply log into your My Disney Experience app on your phone. Once you're in the Genie section of the app, if you click on an attraction, you can see a DAS return time. You click on the return time and confirm your choice. As simple as that, you have your next DAS return time to come back anytime after then. In other words, no more back and forth from the queue to get a return time and then meeting back up with your family or trudging across the park to wherever you were planning on going, just to come back to that attraction later. Now, the caveat to this is that if a ride does have a virtual queue, it's not eligible to get a return time. So right now, Remy is the only virtual queue. You can't get a return time for it, but if you already have a virtual queue and you go to a cast member, they will put you in that lightning lane once it's your time to ride. Now, if I missed something or you have any questions, you can tweet me or DM me on Instagram at ChrispyTPA, or you can leave a question or comment down below in the comment section. And without further ado, on to today's Hidden Mickey of the Week. Today's Hidden Mickey is located inside of Rafiki's Planet Watch in the Beetle tank. In the front left corner, there are 3 thimbles full of water, making a classic Mickey. Make sure to check back next week for another Hidden Mickey. Also, don't forget to sprinkle a little pixie dust and hit that like and subscribe button. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week.